Officers pull over a van after noticing its license plate lights weren't illuminating the tag from 50 feet away, as required by law. The vehicle was also clocked traveling 49 miles per hour in a 45 mile per hour zone, but within moments of stopping the vehicle, something unusual happens. The driver's seat is suddenly empty.
Stop. Give me your license.
The driver just ran out.
Yeah, no, you didn't. Give me your license, everyone. Shut that door.
That's my daughter. That's
All right, go over here. Hands up the door. Everyone, give me your license. License.
I don't have my ID on me, sir.
Okay. What do you got? You got your ID?
I have no ID, sir.
No one has ID. No one has license. Okay. Whose car is this?
It's the old man's that I stay with.
Okay.
The girl Stephanie was just driving us.
I'm sorry.
The girl Stephanie.
Stephanie what?
Stephanie Spencer.
Okay. What's your name?
Craig Bedgood.
Craig Bedgood. What's your name?
My name's Kristen.
Kristen what? Kristen Harris and Craig Bedgood. All right.
Yes, sir.
Either of you guys have a license?
No.
Okay. And who's this back here?
This is my daughter, Mackenzie.
Hi. How old are you?
18.
18. All right. When's the last time anyone was arrested or anything? What was your last arrest for?
It was burglary, but they all got dropped.
Okay. Guns, drugs, knives, anything in here?
No.
All right. So here's what's gonna happen. I got another people coming, and then we're gonna figure this out. All right. All right. So you have any form of ID on you? No,
I got that.
Okay.
Can I look down here?
No, just hang tight. Don't be reaching around or anything.
I can drop my practice.
Yeah. Well, don't worry about them. Just keep your hands up on the dash. So whose car is this?
The old man, Jerry's.
Jerry who?
Abden.
Where's he stay?
He lives in Altoona.
Is that where you stay with him?
Yes, sir.
All right. When was the last time you were arrested?
It's been last time he was arrested. It was
Me?
we were arrested. We were arrested together. Remember?
It's been about maybe 3 months.
What was that for?
Same thing where she said burglary.
And what did you say? Got
I got my
dropped?
cigarette.
No, don't grab anything.
They got dropped.
All right. There's a guy out here. Get out. Talk to that guy. All right. He's gonna get out. Sadowski. Yep. All right.
Want me to set this up here?
Yep.
What's up, man? How are you doing?
How's it going?
You got anything illegal on you?
No, sir.
Yeah, right quick. You gonna poke me, stick me?
No, I don't shoot off.
You didn't.
Never have. Yeah, I've never saw a day in my life.
No, that's good.
All right. Open that door up. Never out.
How we doing? Good. You can come over here. You got anything illegal on you?
You got anything on you?
No, sir. I got a dress on.
All right. Let's figure out who you guys all right here. Right here. All right, Mr. What was your name?
Bedgood, Craig Bedgood.
How bad is your license?
I don't have a license, sir.
Okay, I'm not asking that. I know how bad is it. How many times have you been suspended?
Oh, I've never had one at all.
Never had one.
But I've been caught. They said if I did.
Well, I just caught you again. I know you're
I
driving.
was driving?
Yeah,
No,
we're
you
not.
are. I
swear to
Here, so
God,
check this
everything I
out.
love
Listen,
was
stop
God.
talking.
I
Listen.
promise you I wasn't.
Where are you guys coming from?
Coming
He
from
was-
this game. I swear
Okay,
to God, my dad
so
said I wasn't
listen.
driving.
You expect me to believe that I rip in here and
Listen,
see you jumping over
promise
the
you I was
passenger
not driving.
seat?
I swear on my dad's
Listen,
grave.
stop
I
talking.
was driving, sir. It was me, sir.
Okay.
I promise you I wasn't driving. I swear to God I wasn't.
I wasn't here, so don't look at
I
me.
swear to God I wasn't driving.
We were literally.
I mean, I put that on my dad's grave. I wasn't driving.
Well, the easy thing was just take all three of you guys to jail and be done with it.
Okay, well, can she not go to jail? That's my daughter. She wasn't doing nothing wrong.
She's in the car. If y'all gonna lie, then I don't care.
Well, no, we're not lying. I was driving, sir. I swear to God. I was literally driving. I promise you. I don't got no reason to lie.
Show it.
There is a camera here, and that camera will show you.
Y'all know where I was when I saw you guys come out of the fish games? You know I saw who got in the driver's seat, right? I was sitting right across the street.
Okay, well, they got cameras too, and they seen me get in the driver's seat. I got in the driver's seat.
You know, I was across the street.
Sir, oh my. Mackenzie, who was in the driver's seat?
She didn't want to answer because she didn't want to lie.
No, because she's freaking
Oh,
scared.
what? You're saying I got in the driver's seat too?
I saw the whole thing.
You're saying I got in the driver's seat?
Oh my God.
please, let's read.
So hold on. So we can take her. We're gonna take you for obstruction and her for obstruction too. Is that good?
For what?
I swear to God, I did not drive.
Don't
Oh,
look
you
at
are.
the cameras.
I don't need to look at the camera.
We're not lying. You do need to look
So
at
no,
If
I
was
do.
If
No,
I
Yo,
was
you're
driving,
telling me
sir,
what I need to do?
I was driving, sir.
If I was driving, I would
You
admit
like-
it. Trust me. I would admit it. I'm not going to let someone go to jail for
First thing you did is you start looking at your daughter. As soon as you started selling a lie, you looked at her to see what her reaction was.
was driving.
She doesn't want to get involved. Don't ask her.
No, because she's got bad anxiety, sir, and she
I
gets,
would too. If I was
If I
lying.
was driving, I would admit that I was driving.
Whose car is it?
It's the old man that I live with. Is his.
All right, is there anything illegal in the vehicle?
No, sir.
Can I check?
I don't know if you can or not. I guess you can. I don't
Okay,
see why
thanks.
not. It's not my car though, so I don't know.
Doesn't matter. Nobody wants to admit they were driving, so we'll take.
I was driving, sir.
Okay.
I mean, I would love to look at the cameras because I have
What
no
cameras
reason
are you
to lie.
talking
The
about?
cameras at fish games, and the cameras. There's got to be cameras here.
It don't matter if they want me to take. I'll take it. I swear to
Sir,
God, I
I
was
was
not
driving.
driving. If I was driving, I would admit to it. I'm not like that, but I know.
Understanding crystal clear.
I mean, I've been caught 10 times driving.
So
I
when
would
he
not
gets
lie
up here and
about it.
there's nobody sitting in the driver's seat, that's kind of weird, right?
I was flung myself in the back seat real quick.
You know that lacks any common sense of anything in this planet, right?
That's exactly what happened, though. I mean,
That's a normal reaction for anybody when they get stopped by the cops. They immediately just jump in the back seat.
yeah,
You
they don't
don't
have a
have
driver's
license.
license.
You don't have a license either?
No.
I promise you I wasn't driving, sir. I promise. I have no reason
He
to lie.
saw me.
Yeah, he saw him.
How?
He just
But
said it.
I got a ponytail. I don't understand.
Angel wings on my tax.
I mean, I wish there was some way to prove it. Because I'm telling you, I know I wasn't driving. I wish there was some way to prove it.
Okay.
I really do.
Started in crack houses. Now we get made.
What do you think I saw across the street?
He's.
Listen to me. Answer the question I just said. What do you think I saw when I was directly across the street with my binoculars? What do you think I saw when I was across
Saw
the
me
street?
in the driver's seat.
Wow, you guys are gonna keep on selling this to the grave, huh?
Listen, we're gonna get. If something does happen, we can. The people at the whatchamacallit, they see us on the cameras get the driver's seat.
Okay. You know there's no cameras on the south side of the building, right?
There's
there
cameras
is.
right there when we were parked.
Yeah,
There's
there is.
cameras
When did
right
they put
there
those
when we were
there?
parked
'Cause
at.
they weren't there last week.
They're there. I promise you, they're there.
Okay.
I can't believe y'all can't take me. I mean, I would say if I was driving.
You know how many times you get lied to every
I understand
single
that.
day?
I understand that, sir. But I swear, I'm telling
Because
you.
she's trying to pretend like as soon as they get stopped by the cops, they immediately just jump in the back seat for no reason.
Hey,
I've done
when
it
I'm not
before.
supposed to be driving, that's what I do too. Or try to get out the
I've
driver's
done
seat.
it
I ain't gonna lie. That's exactly what I try to do with myself. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Then the officer finds meth materials in the seat the young daughter was sitting in.
Anything else on you?
Officer, that's not hers. That's mine.
Stop.
No, it's
Stop.
that is my
Stop.
stuff.
Sit down.
It's mine. It's
Put
in a
your
little
hands behind your
bottle.
Hey, nope. Listen to what I'm about to do. I'm gonna put you in handcuffs, and then we're gonna talk. But I'm gonna explain everything
It's not
to
her
you. All right?
stuff, sir.
Well, she was sitting on a
It's
straw with a
mine.
bag,
No, it was
and then yes, you were. And then also, there is in your backpack that you were clutching with your ID is a folded up dollar bill with crystal meth.
That's not mine.
Hey, don't. You relax.
Oh, well,
all right.
Busy. Mom.
Relax your hands right now.
Busy. You gotta relax. Mom. You gotta relax. You're gonna go to jail probably.
Oh, there's not a problem here.
No.
Relax your hands.
Relax, Mackenzie. What's that in your backpack for? Mackenzie, stop that. Don't be like that. I'm just saying she's got to relax a little bit.
Is there anything on you?
We're gonna check. So now's the time to be honest.
When you know you're gonna get put through an X-ray machine. Is there anything on
That's not mine, so I don't. Mackenzie.
you? I don't know what to believe out of you. 'Cause 2
Well,
seconds
no,
ago it was
because-
yours. Now it's not yours. So
No, because I
just,
thought I was gonna take it.
just like the
It was in
driving.
her backpack. I can't. There's nothing I can do about that.
Anything else on you?
I do.
Mackenzie, answer me. Focus. Is there anything else in your bra, in your person, tucked up anywhere?
No.
Nothing.
No.
Nothing else. Okay. Come over to this car over here.
Please don't arrest me. Can we just talk, please?
Take a seat. I'll talk to you. Can you sit here for a second? I gotta grab my zero.
Have a seat. Come on, in the car. In the car, Mackenzie. You have to get in the car. Mackenzie, get in the car.
Get in the car, Kenzie. You gotta get in the car. You have to get in the car.
Sit inside, Bruce. Anything in your shoes or socks?
No.
Nothing's in your socks.
I swear I didn't do anything.
Okay. Well, you're sitting on a cut straw with a baggie.
How about this? Both you guys are gonna have a seat on the curb.
There is crystal meth folded up in a dollar bill in your backpack that you are holding with your ID in it. Okay? See where we're at?
But it's
If one of them put it on you, you should just even if it's your mom. So I don't. Has she ever been arrested before?
no, sir.
Mackenzie,
It must. I don't. It's not mine.
have you ever used meth before?
I used it a long time ago
How long is a long time ago?
when I was young.
You're young now. You're 18.
Okay, but yeah.
When was the last time you used meth?
I was young.
It's not helping you here. You're not helping yourself either.
A while ago.
How long is a while? A week, a day, a month, a year. Okay, kick your
Probably
feet
like
in. Kick your feet in.
like a week.
Okay,
maybe.
kick your feet in.
No, sir, please.
No, kick your feet
We
in.
can just talk.
No, I've been trying, and you're sitting here bouncing and looking at the sky. Kick your
I'm
feet in.
telling you. That's not
A
mine.
week is not a while.
That is not
A
mine.
week is
Someone
not
put
when
that in
you're
my
younger.
bag.
Okay, well, that's for you to argue in court. For right now,
I can't.
you can't what?
I have brothers I gotta go home to. I
Is your
live
mom
right
not
down the
going
street.
home to your brothers? How old are your
Yes.
brothers?
They're young.
How old is young?
If you guys are honest up front from the very beginning, not jumping around and playing musical chairs.
They're a little bit younger than me.
How much? Give me an age, a number.
This could have gone a completely different direction.
15.
Okay, they're fine. Kick your feet
No,
in.
please, can I just
No,
talk to my
kick your
mom?
feet in. No, kick your feet
I
in.
can't go to jail.
I'm about to make you. I'm about to
Sir.
put you in the car.
Sir,
What?
As soon as you start playing fucking games, I'm over it.
What? All right, kick your feet in.
sir, please.
Are you gonna? If I put my hands on you to put you in the car, you're gonna get resisting. You're gonna get another charge.
Sir, can
Do you understand that?
Can I just call?
Do you understand that? Yes or no?
I do, but can I
Okay,
just please
kick
talk
your
to
feet in. I'm giving you 3 seconds
Can I just
before I
please
put you in the
talk to
car.
my mother, please?
3,
Please, sir,
2.
please.
If I put my hands on you, you're getting resisting arrest. Put your feet in
If
there.
I go,
3,
if
2,
can I just call my?
1.
Can I call, please?
Here's resisting arrest.
I'm not. I didn't.
Used meth a week ago. Said she used meth a week ago.
She's going to jail. She's fine.
She'll be going to jail. Let me grab it.
She's not happy she's going to jail.
Mackenzie continues to exhibit more strange and confusing behavior.
Is there anything inside of your pants? No? Okay, walk this way. Walk this way. Come on. What are you asking? Mackenzie, is there anything on you?
I don't have anything on.
You have nothing on you or nothing in you, correct? I need you to say yes or no. Because as soon as you go in that door, cross that threshold, if you have something on you, that's another charge. If you tell me about it right now, I won't charge you with it, as long as you tell me. But you're about to go through a body scanner. Say yes or no. Yes or no? I'm asking her if she has something on her or in her, and she's yet to answer me. If you cross that line and there's something on you, I will charge you with it. If you tell me right here, we'll deal with it. Yes or no? You got 3 seconds, and then we're walking in. Yes or no? Do you have something on you or in you? Okay, let's go.
Are you pregnant or you have any metals on you?
For right now, that's still going until we figure out.
Okay. Yes or no? We're gonna go through a metal detector and we will know if you're pregnant or not. Or you have any pacemakers or anything like that that will interfere.
She has braces.
Hmm? Can you kindly walk over there?
Jim, one, if you want to come, I'll sit down. I'll make the damn hot for that.
Ah, bullshit, I'm coming.
What's the problem?
Answering.
What's the problem? You really want to go this route? You probably don't.
You got anything on you that you just got outside?
She hasn't answered if she has anything on her or in her, so until we figure that out, this is still running.
I'll get Sergeant in here.
Mackenzie, you're going to go on the body scanner. If you have something on you or in you, tell them.
Are you pregnant? You're not pregnant. Do you have any metal in your body? Like, have you had surgery, got like metal implants in your body or legs or anything? No? Well, come on. Come on. You've had the opportunity to talk, but you refuse to talk, and you're not pregnant. Step up here. One more. Stop. Turn to the left.
So at the time of this arrest, 18-year-old Mackenzie was ultimately charged with several drug-related offenses following the traffic stop. The most serious charge was possession of methamphetamine, a felony under Florida law that applies when someone knowingly possesses a controlled substance without a valid prescription. She was also charged with possession of drug paraphernalia, which generally refers to items used to store, conceal, or consume illegal narcotics. In addition, Mackenzie faced a charge of resisting a law enforcement officer without violence, occurring when someone obstructs or refuses lawful commands from officers during an investigation or arrest. As a result, Mackenzie entered a plea of no contest to these charges, and the judge ultimately withheld adjudication, meaning she was not formally convicted despite accepting the penalties. As a result, she was sentenced to 60 days in county jail, followed by 1 year of probation. She was also charged with possession of cocaine, the fourth charge which was later dropped by prosecutors. Unfortunately, the legal trouble didn't stop there, and since this incident in 2022, Mackenzie has been arrested 4 additional times, highlighting how the cycle of drug use and addiction can continue to pull people back into the criminal justice system. Now, in my opinion, this is a reminder of the lasting impact that drugs can have, not only on someone's health, but on their future as well. And it's honestly sad to see this happen to someone at such a young age. I mean, she was only 18 years old. But let me know your honest thoughts down below in the comments. Stay safe out there, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.